Hey everyone, what is going on? It is K2 Investing here. My name is Karen, and in this week's video, I want to go over my dividend payout for the month of May in 2020. I apologize, this video is a little bit late. I usually try to do these over the weekend, but it's been so busy here with everything opening back up, and with me potentially moving here in the near future, I've just had so much going on. I actually do have to go into work later today, but I'm trying to knock this video out real quick for you guys, just so I can have something for you to see. Going across the portfolio, on the day so far, it's 9:20 in the morning. I live out in California currently, so the markets did open around 6:30, so they've been open for a couple hours now. Across the week, very green. On the month as well, very green, almost up $4,000. 3 months, seeing that green again. And on the 1 year, this is actually the first time in the last few months doing this that the 1 year mark or the 1 year chart is showing green instead of red. That's great seeing that progress. And overall, still red, but we're getting back to it, down 0.46%, at its worst, down well over 30%. So again, seeing that little bounce back is still very strong right now, everything that's going on, but the economy is sort of starting to open back up, and we'll see if there's a wave 2 of this coronavirus or if vaccine will come out. It's still up in the air, but it's so nice to see green across the charts as we go. So my portfolio currently sitting over $21,000. In order to check my dividend payouts, I need to go to my account, click on this little guy-shaped thing down here, go to Statements and History, Show More, and we switch over to Dividend. So these are going to be showing all the ones that I have pending for the month of June and everything that has been paid out for the month of May. I do have a lot of mine reinvested directly right back into the stock itself, and some go into my overall cash payment, but for the majority of my dividends, they go right back into the actual holding that I already have. Now, when I track my dividends, I use Google Sheets, and Google Sheets is completely free to use if you have a Google account, which most likely you do if you're using YouTube. And what's awesome about this is I can use this on my computer, on my laptop, or on my phone. I have the app, and I actually go in and I track every single dividend I get paid out for that month. So May is a little bit lower. It's not known as a very high paying out month, but I expect June will be. Just like back in March, I made over 100, but this month in May, I made $74.94, which overall, if I was to have this money into a normal savings account, I would not be making this much back. So I'm definitely still making quite a bit of money investing in the stock market. So going left to right, you'll see that I have the day that the dividend was paid out to me, the stock ticker symbol, the price per share, the number of shares I own, and then of course the total of the entire payout. The two colors represent green and Webull. Green is for Robinhood and Webull is blue. I do have a small portion in Webull. I would think I have about $2,600 in there. So earning dividends as the months go on. Scrolling down here, we have the previous total. So as of last month, I had a total of $290 for the year. This orange total is a total for the month, so $74.94, and then my year-to-date total. So far for the year of 2020, I've made $365.36. Up on the right is how I just track my overall progress. I have my year-to-date highest average, so my highest average of $72. And this month, once I added that extra money, my new year-to-date average is actually $73.07. And then over here, I just had this little blip of 2019 stats. I had a total of $546 with an average of 45. So again, even with this little bit lower paying month in May, I'm still well above my averages for 2019. And speaking of which, I actually started tracking my overall payouts for the entire year. So as you can see in 2019, exactly how much I made every single month for that total. And then for 2020 so far, this is how much I've made. So you can see which months pay out more, like in March and June. And also in 2019, I used to have a very big holding of Ford, and Ford has a great dividend yield. So that's why, even though the other months are pretty low, down to 30s and the 40s, in March and June, the months that Ford paid out, it was quite considerably higher because at least like $70 of that was my Ford payout. But still, overall in 2020, you can see so far in January, $3.13, 2020 up $41.06. So I definitely made a huge jump just in the past year. I changed my budgeting concept, I changed the way that I invest, and I'm able to put in so much more money this year than I was last year because I kind of got away from my cold feet of starting and investing, and I'm putting a lot more risk and a lot more time and energy into my investing. But so far you can see that $365 and that 73 average as opposed to the 548 and the 45. And I'm really excited to continue this new tracking system where I can see it as a whole. It really helps to see exactly how much progress you make, because while you're investing in the market, sometimes you have bad months, sometimes you have good months, but it's so good to see the overall so you can really see just how much you're progressing, and it really keeps you motivated to continue doing your research and doing everything that you need to continue to be successful in this market. Jumping into my Webull account real quick, guys, I just want to let you see exactly how much money I have in there, about $2,609. Finally, overall, this one is now green. Again, I didn't have that much money in it, but it's nice to see green, green, green across the charts. And I also do my paper trading with Webull. Every week I reset my paper trading account back to $50,000, but because of this week being weird and it is Monday, I haven't actually reset mine, so I can show you what I made last week. So if I go down here to paper trading, so with the $50,000 that I started off with, I'm sitting at $55,050, meaning that I made $5,050 this past week trading. I do not have any open orders right now. This is all just me practicing, because I do want to get into a more aggressive standpoint when it comes to my trading, being more involved when it comes to buying and selling than just buying and holding. And in order to do that and to learn good entry points and exit points, you always should practice, and Webull has a fantastic platform, especially on your computer. You can download the platform, and it's such a better setup than on your phone. On your phone it's possible, but it's so much easier to see, and it really gives you the opportunity to learn indicators and to learn those better entries and exits to make that money when it comes to day trading and even swing trading. So guys, that's all I got for you. I just want to do that quick recap. I'm hoping very shortly later on in the week I can give you another video of what I plan on adding to my portfolio. And if you're interested, please hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, if you learned a little bit of something, or you just like to go along the journey with me while I try this investing thing, please hit that like button. As always, guys, I hope you stay green, you stay classy, and you make your moves with that kinetic knowledge. Take it easy.